Is your current ERP system more of a hindrance than a help? If you're tired of workarounds and manual data entry, it might be time for a change. Generic ERP systems often require costly customizations and still fail to meet industry-specific needs. They can leave businesses struggling with inefficiencies and disconnected systems. Acumatica offers industry-specific ERP solutions tailored to your unique business challenges. With built-in automation, real-time reporting, and seamless integrations, Acumatica adapts to your operations from day one. Whether you're in construction, wholesale distribution, manufacturing, retail, or professional services, Acumatica has you covered. From real-time cost tracking to automated order fulfillment, Acumatica's solutions are designed to streamline your processes and boost efficiency. Take mid-states companies, for example. They eliminated inefficiencies and improved reporting with Acumatica. Or Hedstrom Fitness, who boosted efficiency and customer satisfaction. Acumatica is the way to go if you want to work smarter, not harder, said Jillian Williams, Customer Service Manager for Hedstrom Fitness. Discover how Acumatica can transform your business. Request a personalized demo today and see the difference for yourself.